Hey everybody, welcome back to Hinder Squid Garage. Hi, if you're new to the channel, I'm Calvin.
Hi, I'm Kelvin.
Nice to meet you. On this episode, I'm going to be cold starting some of my toys. First off, I'm going to start off with my motorcycle, which is a 93 Honda XR650L. Next up after that is going to be a 95 Honda 300 4Trax. Right after that, I'm going to go into my 88 Honda 4Trax 300. Right after that is going to be my Arctic Cat ZR580. And then right after that is going to be my 95 Skidoo. So thanks for watching. Let's cut to this clip of my motorcycle and we'll just get this video on the road. Thanks.
But we'll turn this on. Chokes on. Okay, so the battery's dead, but I got this little jump pack here, so I'm gonna try and get this hooked up and see if we can't give her some more cranking. All right, so we got that hooked up. Let's see if that makes a difference here. Oh yeah. That's going. That's good news. As you guys might have seen in the end of that last clip here of this getting this started, the license plate was falling off, and so I had to somehow come up with a way to fasten the license plate so that I could be mildly legal to drive it on the road to take this next clip you're going to see for you guys. So here was my solution to that. So really this is all you're going to need. So basically what I did is I took these two Crescent wrenches, and this bolt and this washer is just clamping and just biting down on that part of the plate, and then use the other Crescent wrench to tighten it down there and just clamp between there. And then I used this ye old handy electrical tape, and I just goobered her up around there and went all the way around. Didn't skip no steps on that, because this was going on the other side too, and I was too lazy to try and find another washer. But this ought to do for now, and she's legal. The bike's legal, I'm not, but don't tell the local PD, please. And yeah, here's my license plate if you're trying to steal that, and whatever you guys do with that. So yeah. Alright guys, well, it's pretty nice out here. It's like 45 degrees. I'm gonna get this thing started here and go right down to work. I'm gonna try and film some of it, and yeah, no guarantees, but I'll at least get the starting it up for you. This should pop right off with the thing off, get it put away. Alright, well, we just got back from riding this thing. I got a couple videos of me riding it. It was pretty awful. I'll have to look back and look at the audio and stuff on them. But either way, I'll throw them up there on the old YouTube for you guys to watch, and let me know what you think. Definitely gonna try and get more of this this spring and whatnot. But yeah, it's a good bike, and yeah. Next up is the old 95 Honda 4Track. So I'm gonna get this taken off, hook my little miracle worker up to it, and see if we can't spin this baby over. Cause oh, don't even need it. I thought the battery was dead. Give her some gas here. See if that'll do it. Okay, now the battery's dead. So I'm gonna get this taken off and hook this up to it. Okay, that's hooked up. Let's get to cranking again here. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, boy. Okay. Give a quick go on the old Articrap while the Honda's running here. Oh, look at that, 3 pulls. I got a sticker here for it, and I'm not going to do the reveal quite yet, but I'm going to put it right smack dab right here. So we're just going to clean this off really crappy, you know, just enough that it'll only peel off in like a year or 2 instead of 5. That ought to be good. And then I'm going to try and set this up so you guys can see me put it on and peel it off and do a nice reveal. Don't peek. And I will say this is a 2-stroke specific sticker. Okay, you can't put this on anything else that has anything more than 2 strokes in the firing cycle. Can you see that? Off here. Mixing gas and slapping ass. The old 2-stroke Articrap ZR580 motto. Check it. That's right. It don't get better than that. She's already sticker bombed. As you can see, we got 509, you know, 509, so that's what? That's 1,018. Yeah, that's how much horsepower this thing makes. FC, I don't even know. VP, I don't know. Blackbird, because it flies off the jumps. NGK, not goddamn kidding, this thing's fast. Supercross, you know, Supercross. That's what happens to the all the Polaris riders when I fly past them on this thing. Fox, you know, she's nimble. Here's half of another sticker. Honda Racing, because, you know, Honda helps everything out. Motor Fist. This is what the Polaris riders do. They clench their fists when, again, the old Articrap skirts on past her. Then, yeah, I don't know what that stands for, but she's mint. She's mint now. Love it. Well, everyone, It's a lot warmer right now. As you can see, the snow's melted. You can see my drum smoker. But yeah, you can see my broken snorkel on the old 88. And if you guys have seen this before on the channel, but yeah, we're gonna give this a couple kicks here and see if it starts. I can't guarantee it will with just kicking it, but well, I can. It's got a new carb. Let's see. Give it a couple more kicks here and try. Well, yeah, 2 kicks after sitting for about a month since I last made a video of it, so not too shabby. Let's get her shut down and move on to the Skidone. Okay, choke on, kill switch is on. That's brakes and junk, we don't need that. Thumb throttle's over here. I think it has feeling it. Keys on. This thing's a pain in the butt to start. Okay, I'm over that. Oh, a little liquido de arranque. Let's cram some of this down her throat, maybe. I think that's intake-ish. Good enough. Let's try again. Good enough on this thing. All right, everybody, I think that's gonna do it for this episode of Hitting Her Squid Garage. In this video, you should have seen my 93 Honda XR 650L started, some riding videos. You should have seen my 1995 Honda 4Trax. I got that thing started, ran it for a little bit, revved it a little bit. I got my 1997 Arctic Cat ZR580 EFI started. You saw me put that sweet sticker on there. I think I paid like 10 bucks for it. Also, after that, I started the 88 Honda 4Trax with, which you guys should be familiar with at this point. That was my first video. And then right after that, I went into my 99 Skidoo Formula 500 DLX. Started that, rev that, did some on-the-stand burnouts. And yeah, so that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See ya.